Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can see, I'm installing 3D wall panels. I have a viral video on my channel of me installing other 3D wall panels. So that video is very detailed. I explain and give step-by-step instruction how to install these panels. And I've received a lot of questions from that video. I try to answer as much as possible. So in today's video, while I'm installing these panels, I'll highlight some of the questions and answer some of them for you. So you can check out that video, guys. I'll leave the link in the description down below and I'll place it somewhere on the screen. So as you can see now, I'm installing them on wood, raw wood. The board is not painted. The instruction that came with the panels say that we should install them on painted surface. I have decided to try them on raw wood. The reason for doing them like this or trying this is because of the Gorilla Glue, guys. The Gorilla Glue does the trick. It is very strong. It bonds well. But guess what, guys? I'll recommend that you install them on the wall, on the painted surface. If this doesn't work, I'll let you know, but I'll inform you to follow the instruction that came with them. And the reason is that I want to put them on the raw concrete because the concrete wall, it's porous, it's new wall, and I wouldn't do that. But here I'm trying them on wood. So question number 1, do you have to use Gorilla Glue? No, you don't have to. You can use another construction glue as long as it is very strong. Another question is if you can use your scissors, your regular scissors. As long as the scissors is sharp, you don't have to buy a utility scissors. You can use a X-Acto knife as long as the tool is sharp and it can cut it. These panels are made of hard PVC plastic. The other panels that I install in the viral video, they are made of hard cardboard. It's still a hard PVC, but it feels and it looks like cardboard. I like this one. So if I should choose between both, I would prefer this one. I like the look of this one. But sometimes when you buy, you don't know which you're gonna get. I use one supplier and I have gotten 2 different types. So in another video I'll give you some more detailed explanation why I like this one. Another question is how to cut around the light switches and the light plugs. All you have to do, guys, is just to measure, just like when you're tiling, or just like when tilers tiling and they measure the space, and they cut out the plug area. So you just have to measure and make the cut. And another way is to use the plug cover as a template to make the mark on the panel. I got a lot of questions about how to fill the raised up space behind the panel. So after you make the cut, you're going to have a little raised up space behind the panel. So you can use caulk to fill it, or you use filling foam. The filling foam will expand in the space. Or if you don't want to fill the space, you can just leave it just like that. But if you think that insect is going to go behind it, you can just fill it. Are the panels removable and reusable? Yes, they are. After removing them, there's going to be a lot of residue on the wall from the Gorilla Glue or whatever glue you use. So all you have to do, use your putty knife to just scrape the wall. You can reuse them as long as you don't tear them when you're removing them. And remember, the Gorilla Glue is very strong, so they are easy to tear or destroy when removing them. Are they paintable? Yes, they are. You can use emulsion paint. I use the low sheen. You can spray paint them if you want. You can use a roller to paint them. You can use a brush as well. I got a question stating that, or asking if one could paint them before putting them on the wall. Yes, you can. It's your choice. But I prefer to paint them after I put them up, because I'll get to paint the joints and the entire finish will look seamless and clean when it's done. Another question is, how long do they last and are they durable? They last very long. They are durable. The first set of panels that I installed, that was 5 years ago, they are still on the wall. They are still intact. They are still looking new like I did them yesterday. So final question I get is the job easy? And I must say that no job is easy. It is manageable. It takes a lot of time. It's very time consuming. The technical part about this job is that you have to be neat, you have to be precise, because when it's finished, you want that clean and seamless look. As you can see, I am using black panels and the Gorilla Glue is white. So you know that when you finish doing the job, you don't want to have that white glue showing. So the hard part about this job is that you have to do the cleanup while working. And the Gorilla Glue can be very messy. The Gorilla Glue is not easy to work with. It carries a scent, so you have to wear a mask. You know, it can be tacky and messy all over the place. So that's why I always recommend that you use a lot of old cloth, old rag when you're doing the work. And that is what takes up the time. You know, it takes a lot of time. So it's very time consuming. So it's not really easy, but it's manageable. I got these panels from Amazon, so if you'd like to purchase them, you can click the link, my Amazon associate link, in the description down below. This video is not sponsored. I've just been using this particular supplier because I like these panels. So you can click the link and you can purchase them. So this is the final look, guys. I'm doing a bar counter and this is the facing of the bar counter. So look out for part 2 when I will show you the 3D panels on the wall and I'll show you how I install the shelves and the LED lighting. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.